Good morning to all. Today, we the Bru displays, people has to gather here for mass rally. The main reason of the rally is that we have so many demands. We don't want to come here to protest here, or we don't want to walk under the raining. But the situation has compelled us to gather here. So after the agreement was signed in New Delhi in the year 2020, January 16, according to the agreement, we are not supposed to come here. According to the agreement, we are supposed to be settled in the selected location. But today, why we came here? Some of us, we may ask the question. The reason is that the government of India and the government of Tripura has neglected us, and we are lagging behind other communities. So we have so many demands today. Demands that is not the new demands. That is our rights and our already we get from 25 years. But after the agreement was signed, and we think that our problem will be solved, but till today, our problem has been remained unsolved. And all of us, we may have seen in our placard also, number one, our demand is that our cash doll has been distributed by the government of India from last 23 years. That is, every day we got 5 rupees. Per person, 5 rupees we used to get. That is provided by the government of India through the government of Tripura. But today, after the 6 months, from January to June till today, we didn't get that our 5 rupees also. So it is very sad to express that. It is very sad to express that the government of Tripura or government of India is punished us. The main livelihood of the refugees people, our camps people, our displaced people, we don't have any government job or any other occupation. Our main livelihood is the rice and free rice distribution and 5 rupees per day. But that also has been pending last 6 months. Till today, that 5 rupees also has been not issued by the government of Tripura. So we feel very sad to express before you. Not only this 5 rupees, but our rice also. This month, every month we used to get rice, free rice distribution. But this month we didn't get rice distribution. The position also has been still not issued by the government of Tripura. All the time when we approach the higher authority, the government used to answer that your money has been over, your money has been not sanctioned. These are the answers. So we cannot wait the sanction of the government. We need our basic need, that is our food. Not only that, most of our SNP teachers or SSA teachers, their salary also has been pending. They did issue. So we as refugees people, we are a peace-loving people. We don't want to disturb the government. We don't want to disturb the local people of the Kanchanpur. But we are demanding our rights. Not only that, the second point is 453 family has been rejected. 453 family has been rejected. The main reason why they were rejected, that is, the reason is that their names were mismatched. Their Mizo name and Bru names maybe like that. Simple. In this simple case, the government of Tripura has rejected 453 family. Today, those 453 family, they are wandering here and there because they don't have any location. Some families, even their ration also has been rejected. So we feel very bad. We request the government of Tripura to verify these 553 families immediately. Last month also we already have a rally regarding this re-verification of the 553 reject families. But till today the government of Tripura is not responding us. Because of that, today again we have to raise this issue. So we request the government of Tripura as well as government of India to re-verify this 553 families as soon as possible, so that they can get the equal package along with others. And another point why we came here as a rally, for rally, is that another point is now the settlement is going on. Now the settlement is going on in different locations, but the progress of the work is not up to the mark. Only 80% of our resettlement process is not success. Only 20% we can say. Those who already settled there in maybe Bongofa, maybe West Kalazari or some other occasion also, they are playing by the government of Tripura. We can blame the government of Tripura because they got, some families they got first installment, some families still they didn't get first installment also. That is the money 50,000 provided by the government of India for housing. That's also still pending. But the government of India or government of Tripura has given us ultimatum that 31st August is your last day. The government of India and government of Tripura has issued ultimatum that 31st August is your last day. Before 31st August, you should be settled, your settlement should be complete. They used to give us suggestion, information, requests like that. See, if the 80% of the resettlement process is still pending, then how it can be within 31st August, how the resettlement will be solved? So this is the main reason why we came here to protest here. We are not coming here to enjoy the Kanchanpur city. We are not coming here to see the Kanchanpur town, but to express our feeling, but to express our suffering to the government of Tripura as well as to the people of the Kanchanpur as well as the administration of the Kanchanpur subdivision. And we, as a refugees member, as a refugees people, we are always ready to settle in any location that is selected by the government, and we want to solve our problem because we don't want to suffer in the hell for many years. Some people may think that the Bru displaced people are enjoying the government money, government ration, government rights. You may think like that, but we are suffering. We are suffering in the hell. Every kinds of problem we are facing, maybe water facilities, health facilities, maybe education, different side. From the different side we are facing lots of problems. But the government has forced us, the government of India and the government of Tripura want us to suffer. That's why we are suffering. So we request the government of Tripura and government of Tripura as well as government of India to solve our problem immediately as soon as possible, so that we, the Bru displaced people, also can live like other Indian citizens. If our demand is not success, this is just the beginning of the protest, the rally. If our demand is not success, next time we'll go to Subdivisional district headquarters Dharmanagar, or if it is not success, then we'll go to Agartala Secretariat for protesting our problems. So, according to the democratic rights. So, I thank all our fellow displaced people, those who gathered here. Thank you very much for your cooperation in this mass rally. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Jadi jatuh sejadi lewat feminis romanti prasar kata di daya proof nak lenar. Jadi jatuh sejadi feminis romanti prasar kata di daya proof nak lenar. Masih para nama para prasar kata di daya settlement nak lenar.
25 years. But after the agreement was signed, and we think that our problem will be solved, but till today, our problem has been remained unsolved. And all of us, we may have seen in our placard also, number one, our demand is that our cash doll has been distributed by the government of India from didn't get that our 5 rupees. Government of Tripura or government of India is punish us. The main livelihood of the refugees people, our camps people, our displaced people.
इतना मौसम खराब में आंदोलन क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये सबक आप लोग का हृदय, आप लोग का दिल में ये सबक उत्पन्न हो सकते हैं। इसलिए आप लोग का सबक को पूरी करने के लिए आप सभी को जो अंग्रेजी नहीं आते हैं उन लोगों का सबक को पूरी करने के लिए हम यहाँ पर खड़े हैं। आप सभी को छोटा सा संक्षिप्त में आप सभी को अनुरोध करके मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि हम लोग इतना बारिश में, इतना धूप में यहाँ पर मकसद आंदोलन करने का मकसद ये था कि जो त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा हम लोगों को रिलीफ फैसिलिटी दिया जा रहा है, हम सभी लोग जानते हैं वो चीज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा ही हम लोग मिलते हैं, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा ही हम लोगों को देता है। वो चीज 6 महीने से लेकर के अभी तक हो गया, हमारे पास कुछ रिलीफ फैसिलिटी नहीं मिला। उसके वजह से हम लोग यहाँ पर आए आंदोलन करने के लिए। आज बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुआ है। हमारा कोई रिलीजियन धर्म से कोई संबंध नहीं है, हमारा कोई पॉलिटिकल राजनीतिक से कोई संबंध नहीं है। हमारा मकसद ये था कि त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा जो रिलीफ फैसिलिटी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ने दे रहा है उसको पूरी करने के लिए हम लोग त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा ही हम लोग डिमांड करने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पर। और इतना नहीं, जो लोकेशन एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा टोटली 11 लोकेशन चॉइस करके दिया गया है। वो लोकेशन अभी तक पूरा नहीं हुआ रिसेटलमेंट के लिए। इसीलिए जैसे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि हजरत चेहरा एग्जिस्टिंग के में और गचरा पड़ा है और पूर्वजयपाड़ा से लेकर के सचिंद्रपाड़ा तक है और आशापाड़ा है, विक्रम जो है मंदिरापाड़ा है। ये सारे चीजों लोकेशन जो त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट खुद चूज करके दिया है, लोग ये लोकेशन में आप लोग सेटलमेंट करो, लेकिन वो त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट खुद लोकेशन चूज करके दिया है। उस लोकेशन पर जाने के लिए हम तैयार है, लेकिन त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा वो लोकेशन भी अभी तक रिसेटलमेंट स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे हो। उसके वजह से हम लोग यहाँ पर अभी तक विषय करना पड़ रहा है, आंदोलन करना पड़ रहे हैं। भाइयों बहनों, आप सभी कंचनपुर वासियों से मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग आप लोगों को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए नहीं आए। हम लोग ने आप लोग के साथ लड़ाई झगड़ा मारपीट करने के लिए नहीं आए। हम लोग यहाँ पर आंदोलन करने का मकसद यह था कि त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट को हम लोग प्रेशर करने के लिए यहाँ पर हम लोग आंदोलन कर रहे हैं। इतना हजार लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हो रहा है और इसलिए हम कहना चाहूंगा कि हमारा रिलीफ कैंप में रहने वाले अभी नाराज जिंदगी जी रहे हैं। हम लोग नाराज जिंदगी से भी हम लोग बढ़ करके हम लोग बहुत खतरनाक जगह पर हम लोग रह करके जी रहे हैं। इसीलिए हम ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ज्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे। आप सभी को ये दुआ कर, ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा, ये अनुरोध करना चाहूंगा कि आप सभी ये जान लीजिए कि आप सभी का प्रार्थना के वजह से किसी का लाभ बच सकता है। इसीलिए अभी त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट ने हमारे ऊपर सही ढंग से नहीं खिलाया, नहीं पिलाया। जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा हम लोगों को रिलीफ फैसिलिटी जो दे रहे हैं वो चीज को सही ढंग से हमारे तक नहीं पहुंचाया। इसीलिए आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि कृपया करके हमारे लिए दुआ करें और प्रार्थना करें कि हमारा लाइफ बचने के लिए और जो इस वीडियो को देखेंगे जरूर फॉरवर्ड करें ताकि हमारा लाइफ आपका प्रार्थना की वजह से सेफ हो सकते हैं। धन्यवाद आप सभी हमारे बातें सुनने के लिए। धन्यवाद।